Okay, we're running. Good afternoon. My name is Hub Urlings. We are here live in the RAI in Amsterdam at IBC 2015. We are at the EUsatcom conference, and the theme of the conference is Next Generation Video Networks. And I'm here with Kai Borchers. And Kai, you're coming from Germany. You have a lot of things to do with next generation video.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself and tell a little bit what your background is?
Absolutely. Thanks, Hip. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to introduce our company and what we do here at this auditorium. I'm one of the founders of 3Screen Solutions. My name is Kai Borchers. 3Screen Solutions is a company that is focused on delivering individual software solutions to bring video over any network, IP, cable, satellite, on the 3 screens, PC, TV, or mobile devices. We have been founded in 2009, have grown already to slightly over 160 people, and we do a lot of front-end development on these devices, but we also do a lot of back-end integration work. We work for cable companies, we work for ISPs. For example, we have delivered the TV 2.0 solution for Swisscom, which is one of the most successful IPTV solutions in Europe, maybe even the world. But we also work a lot for satellite providers because we try to bring the web technology, the IP technology world in the old broadcasting environment.
Yeah, I can imagine that is quite a challenge because the broadcast industry has been built over the last decades. There's a lot of infrastructure already in place. Also, and not only the hardware, but also I would say the people with a certain understanding of broadcasting, not necessarily maybe IP as well. So how can these broadcasters with that tradition go over to this next age what we're talking about?
I think the challenge that these broadcasters and the satellite operators are facing at the moment is coming out of the IP world, coming from the ISPs that are introducing OTT services, not only the ISPs, but also companies like Netflix worldwide, that are moving at a much faster pace. They don't have these legacy systems in place. They can develop systems at a much quicker speed. And that's why, on one hand, it is a big challenge for the operators having legacy systems in place, but it is also, of course, an opportunity because companies like us, we help them, and we combine the power of the old technology with the speed of the new technology. And one example of a project we just did was that we have developed for SES Astra in Germany. We have developed the front ends for their Lucid OVP platform. It's an online video platform bringing together their broadcasting signal from satellite, which they transcode in the back end, and we put it together in the front end on OTT devices, on an iPad, on an Android tablet, smartphones, and in the web to bring the consumers, or to enable the consumers to have a viewing experience of live linear TV combined with catch-up TV, which they do a live recording or a real-time recording in the background, as well as VOD content. And so they can compete with their service offering against cable operators or ISPs and bring a fully OTT suite to the end user.
Yeah. Do you see that happening? I mean, the complexity is so high for not only for the broadcast, but for everybody. With the broadcast workflows are getting so complex. Do you see that? I see it here. I think in a company like you as well, you take out the complexity with ready end-to-end solutions.
Yes.
Is that the future, you think?
Yeah, I think, well, on one hand, it's the main thing is taking out complexity. That's the main target. If it is done through end-to-end solutions, I don't know if that is the real solution for everybody, because there are systems that should be kept and should be operated and should be integrated in the new infrastructure. And so it is always important to have a close look at what is there and what is really needed, and then to find the proper combination of IT systems and integration to really bring the most value to the client. And at the end of the day, we bring the speed of the IP world to these companies, and slowly but surely they will exchange their old systems, I think.
Okay, Thank you very much. We are in an exciting market.
Absolutely.
You sound very passionate on what you do. Is there anything exciting coming up for you that you want to share?
Well, yeah, there is another project we did was for EUtelsat in France, which is a project they're also displaying here at the IBC show, where we did a showcase to bring SAT to IP on an iPad without transcoding in the background, and so this is something very exciting. And I invite you all to have a look at the IBC at the EUtelsat booth here at IBC.
Okay, Kai, thanks very much for your for this interview. I wish you good luck, and maybe we speak each other again in future.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Bye.